Good morning. So on our current project right now, we just have a few pieces of trim to put up. Those should be here tomorrow. And right now the plumber's out there getting everything ready for concrete. Concrete will be there Monday, Tuesday. And we just got out here to our current job. We just have a few pieces of trim and the doorknobs, and we are done with the building process. We got the plumbers in there.
Yeah, I imagine. I don't know if you got that. I got you fingerprint. Here, let me give you one.
We filled up the heater with fuel, working on getting the ground all thawed out and ready for concrete. Keith, how did the ground look in there? All the frost out, or?
Pretty much gone. There might be just a little bit.
How much frost was in there?
I don't know. There's probably at least 6 inches probably. So, yeah, on the edges there's maybe just a little bit yet, but it's mainly thawed out. So it'll, with this weather here, it should continue to thaw out. So we'll just put the heat in there a couple days or a day before we pour, just to make sure it's pretty warm.
So right now we're headed to one of our other projects that we finished up earlier this year. It's a big barn. It's a 60 by 200, right, Keith?
Yeah, 60 by 200 with 16-foot walls.
So
yeah.
We'll go in there, talk to the client a little bit, see what all he's done with it, and I'll give you a little walkthrough and maybe some drone footage, some aerial footage of that building.
Four-wheel drive, the front steers and the rear steers. They were in their day, they were really the Cadillac of graders kind of, for like loggers and stuff like that. And that's got a 471 Jimmy in it with a torque converter. And this was all really kind of, cutting edge in its day, like, now everything is articulated and stuff, but these things were really the cats and down back in the day.
Do you guys collect antiques and stuff, or?
Yeah, did you see some of the big lathes and stuff back there?
Let's go take a look if you don't mind.
Yeah, check it out. Yeah, that thing puts the air out, doesn't it? Yeah, so what I'm going to show you is, one is a big lathe, and the other is a big set of rolls for rolling plate steel.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is probably way early in the 1900s. This lathe was right behind here. And it came out of service, it ran.
Oh, wow.
This thing swings. If anybody's a machinist, they know that you always go by the swing of a lathe and what's between the centers. And this thing swings 48 inches, 4 feet. It's really big.
Yeah.
You could do a huge, big piece of pipe, or a big faceplate or something. And the cool thing about this is that this whole bed, if you have a long shaft, you hit a switch on the back there, and this whole carriage, the whole bed, telescopes out to where now, before, if this was all the way back, you'd have like 8-foot centers. When that thing squirts out, now you got like 12, 14 foot between the centers. So it really gives you more capacity,
Wow. So what year's the pickup, Mike?
This is a 60, I do believe.
Wow.
That's a 2-ton cab over. I think it's got like a 392 maybe.
Oh, I see.
V8 engine in it. Really a good old truck. This thing really pushes the snow. It's very old machine. Keith, is that when I called him and he said he was going to be there, he was there. And I love that. That means everything to me. As far as, from there, that guy is going to, his work's going to follow that, so I was super encouraged by that. And
Awesome.
Then just it got better and better and better and better, as we grew in our working relationship and started to build and stuff.
just got done looking at this building, giving it a once over. It turned out really good.
The only bad thing is it's not mine.
I know, it turned out really good.
Yeah, it's a 60 by, no, it's a 70 by 160. We got the part that's closed in is all stick frame, of course, and then at the end he wanted it open for his semis over there, and then here probably the same thing. But yeah, the trusses are a 70-foot clear span, single ply, 4-foot on center. We are all finished with this, and it's the best feeling is to be finished with it and the customer's happy. That's my main focus, is that at the end the customer's happy and that I like how the building's done. So
this is our second video that we've done. I would love to hear some of your feedback. Like and subscribe. We're just getting started here, so I would really appreciate that. The things you guys would like to see, drop it in the comments below. I would really appreciate it.